I want the simplest path to a decent flat white or latte. If you love the classic look of a coffee shop on your counter at home, the Breville Barista Express is a legendary choice. It's one purchase, one warranty, and it's good enough for about 90% of people. Yet, if you're the type of person who is going to fall down that rabbit hole of being a hobbyist, if you want to try different coffee roasts, if you care about espresso quality, flavor, if you don't want to be fighting your equipment, the Breville Bambino Plus, paired with something like the DF54 grinder, is a better setup. Not because it's more complicated, but because it actually lets you improve. And today I'm going to explain why, using real workflows and real frustrations. If you're buying your first espresso machine, you're probably standing at a fork in the road, and perhaps on the one side, you have the Breville Barista Express. Now, this is a machine that has launched 1 million home baristas. All in one, grinder built in, steam wand, pressure gauge. It looks like a cafe machine, feels reassuringly serious, and promises to brew espresso without too much of a headache. And then perhaps on the other side, you're looking at the smaller, simpler looking machine, the Breville Bambino Plus, paired with a standalone grinder like the DF54. Now, it doesn't have to be the DF54, but I chose this grinder as it is the best affordable espresso grinder out there, so it's a no-brainer. Now, I do get why this second option here feels a little intimidating. You have two machines, two outlets, two things to learn. But here's the question that I want to pose that actually matters. Which of these setups do you think makes better coffee as you learn? Not just from day one, because these machines will last a few months, but 6 months from now, 2 years from now. Because espresso isn't about locking yourself into the same shot every day. It really isn't. It's about having the control to repeat a great one or intentionally change it when you need to. Let's start with the Breville Barista Express. This machine has earned its reputation. You turn it on, fast heat up time, grind straight into the portafilter from the inbuilt grinder, tamp, lock your portafilter in, brew, steam some milk, and you're done. It's intuitive, cohesive, and honestly satisfying at first. For darker roasted coffee or milk-based drinks, it does a solid job. But here's where the honeymoon phase ends. This built-in grinder is its limiting factor. Now, it's not bad, it's just not super precise enough for great espresso. Now, if you have this machine already, there are some helpful tips that you can pursue to get better performance long-term from this machine, and I'll add them up here. Yet, let's say you start buying different beans, chasing a very strong consistency, dialing into a recipe. This is something on my take that can be applied to almost any built-in grinder in any espresso machine. You'll find the precision, the finesse in the grinder lacking. Perhaps you're stuck between grind settings. One setting is choking the machine, the next, the espresso is gushing. And that's frustrating, especially when at some point you don't know yet if it's you or the gear. Pressure. Pressure is another factor. The Express runs a higher pressure, which sounds impressive, but in practice can flatten flavor and emphasize bitterness, especially if you're brewing with lighter roasts. It is set from anywhere under 15 bars and notoriously brews at higher than 9 bar pressure. Look, you can make a good coffee with it. Millions of people do, but the ceiling on this machine shows up sooner than most beginner brewers expect. Now let's switch to the Breville Bambino Plus. And I wouldn't say this machine tries to impress you visually. It's compact, it's modern, but almost understated, yet very efficient. Heat up time is basically instant. And crucially, it brews closer to 9 bars of pressure, which is where espresso actually shines. Shots come out sweeter, more consistently, and it's always brewing at the same pressure. Now pair that with the DF54 grinder or something similar, and this is where the whole experience of brewing coffee changes. The grind adjustment on this grinder specifically is stepless and very deliberate. Tiny movements actually matter when making espresso. You can dial in, pull an espresso shot, then adjust the grind slightly for next time and immediately taste that difference the next shot you pull. And it's that feedback loop. This is everything for a beginner making coffee, as you're no longer guessing. You're learning with every shot. Now, quick side note before we keep going, because this part actually matters. When you are learning, you're probably buying beans, accessories, or even just experimenting with different coffees. You might as well join our Brew Club loyalty program. It's free, and for every dollar you spend, you earn points that you can then redeem for deals and discounts with us later. Just a quiet little win for doing the thing you're probably already doing anyway. I'll throw a link in the description down below. All right, let's get back to the video. Now, I do want to acknowledge workflow-wise, yes, it is two machines, but in practice, you grind, you dose, you tamp, and brew. It's slower by a couple of minutes total, especially at first, but infinitely less frustrating. A good grinder makes a bigger difference than a more expensive espresso machine. That's not a theory, that is a lived experience and one that good baristas repeat time and time again. This setup is espresso first, but milk still matters. The Breville Bambino Plus has one of the best automatic steam wands at this level. You get a choice of the heat and the texture. Then you press a button and it delivers glossy cafe-style milk with very little effort. Now for beginners, that's a huge win. If you do want to learn to steam your milk manually later, it also gives you this option. Now compared to the Breville Barista Express, the Express has a strong steam wand that you can move much easier and less forgiving. Great once you know what you're doing, less great when you are learning. For latte lovers, look, both of these machines work. But I think the Breville Bambino Plus, when you're making milk coffees, gives you a smoother on-ramp. So what is the real consensus from, say, reading forums, comments, and hearing from long-term owners? Well, here it is simplified. The Breville Barista Express, it is still one of the easiest ways to get started brewing espresso at home. It looks great, feels complete, and makes perfectly drinkable coffee. But many owners do eventually outgrow the grinder and perhaps get spooked upgrading grinders whilst keeping the machine. This is what I would highly recommend, even over a total rehaul. If you're happy with the machine but the grinder is letting you down, just get a separate grinder. If beginning, the Breville Bambino Plus with a proper grinder, this grows with you. I think you learn faster. You waste less coffee and your espresso improves because the gear isn't holding you back and your skills are able to move with it. If you want espresso with minimal thinking, minimal tweaking, and maximum convenience, it's the Breville Barista Express. There's no shame, it's still a classic. Yet, if you're even slightly curious about improving, which I suspect you might be because you're watching this video, if you care about grind size, shot timing, flavor strength, buy the separates. You'll spend a little bit more effort up front, but you'll save yourself months of frustration trying to find the grind setting that doesn't exist. And more importantly, you'll actually enjoy the process because good espresso isn't about owning cafe gear. It's about having equipment that lets you get better and enjoy the coffee that you brew. So thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. If you have any further questions on either of these machines, add it in the comment section down below and we'll keep this discussion going. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.